Every aircraft turnaround depends on what happens on the ground. When ground equipment and terminal systems rely on fixed schedule maintenance, hidden defects and unexpected failures can quickly disrupt operations and delay turnaround. Pragma Edge brings intelligence to aviation operations, helping Maximo see, listen, think, and act. See defects with AI-powered visual inspection. Listen to asset conditions through connected sensors and systems. Think ahead with health monitoring and predictive intelligence. Then, act with AI recommendations, mobile work orders, and automated dispatch. The result? Fewer equipment-driven delays, higher terminal reliability, audit-ready compliance, lower maintenance costs, and assets that stay turnaround ready. Backed by deep IBM Maximo expertise, proprietary accelerators, and proven managed services, Pragma Edge keeps aviation operations connected, resilient, and ready for what's next. Pragma Edge, powering your connected enterprise.